Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another interesting topic, how to install ADFDI plugin for Oracle Fusion Cloud. As most of us already know that ADFDI is equivalent of WebADI in EBS. So ADFDI stands for Application Developer Framework Desktop Integration. It's kind of a spreadsheet tool through which you can upload the data from the spreadsheet into Oracle Fusion Cloud. So in order to do that, first you need to enable a plugin. Without enabling a plugin or without installing the plugin, you cannot upload the data from spreadsheet into Oracle Fusion. Now in this video, uh, I'll show you how to install the plugin. So you can navigate to tools, download desktop integrator. Let me go there. You can go to navigator, tools, and there is an option called download desktop integrator. So once you click on this, an exe file will be downloaded. You can open the exe file and continue the steps. So that's the first step. I mean, I have already downloaded and installed, so I'm not showing those steps, but you can just, once you click on this link, exe file will be downloaded. You can open that exe file and then continue the steps. And once that is done, maybe open your Excel, and then you need to update some Excel settings before you start using the ADFDI. This is very important. Go to your files, more options. I mean, these will be slightly different depending on your Excel version. Go to your options, Trust Center, Trust Center settings, active settings. So under active settings, I either enable this or this. Any one of these should be fine. Most of the people enable this, but in my case, even this is also working fine for me. Macros settings, so enable these and also check this checkbox. And another important thing is go to your add-ons or add-ins, select com add-ins, go ensure that this box checkbox is checked. Oracle ADF 11G desktop integration add-in for Excel. And once these three steps are done, you can get into an environment and download any ADFDI, or like, I mean, you can start using any ADFDI. I'll just give an example of in AP we have ADFDA for correcting up the AP import errors. So you can use this particular ADFDI. So when I click on this, an ADFDI template will be downloaded. And as all steps are already completed in my laptop, which is your installing of the ADI, sorry, installing of the ADFDI plugin as well as the other Excel steps, I should be able to successfully download uh, ADFDI template, and I can start using my ADFDI template. It says you are able to connect to this. So I say yes. It's trying to download a new version. I'll just say skip. So in this case, now it is trying to connect to the Oracle environment and downloading the AP interface import error. So this particular template is for downloading of the data which is available in the interface table, correct the data, and then import the data into Oracle. So I'll not get into the details of how to correct the data, because the focus of current video is to show you the steps involved in installing of the ADFDI as well as the Excel setup. Okay, while it's running, there's one more step. So in some cases, some of the environments, this download desktop integrator will not be available under tool. So what we should do in those cases? Let me show you. So in my case, under tools, I can see download desktop ADF desktop integrator. But if it is not available, there are a couple of steps which you need to follow. You need the steps whatever we are following is to ensure that that is being enabled so that it appears here. So go here, edit pages. The tool page composes read-only mode. To make application changes, you must be in sandbox that supports this tool. I say yes, activate sandbox. So you need to go into something called sandbox mode and enable that. So select structure, create a sandbox, and then give a name for your sandbox. Maybe I'll just say test enabling of desktop integrator. Okay, whether it's a publishable, yes. I'll just say create. Okay, and then this is my sandbox. So let me enter into the sandbox. Okay, now it's in edit mode. So under tools, add more. You will be taken to the page with the sandbox where you can add tools to the sandbox. Do you want to continue? Say yes. Click on structure. Okay. So here are a lot of options under structure. So slowly scroll down to tools. Yeah, we are under tools. So slowly scroll down. There should be something called, yeah. So you can see download ADF desktop integration. So under navigator, this checkbox is checked and hence I'm able to see this. But under Springboard, it is not enabled. So now let me enable this. Show on Springboard, say yes. I'll just say save and close. Earlier, in my case, it was showing only under navigator, but not under the Springboard. Now, after I publish this changes, I'll be able to see download desktop navigator option even under my Springboard. So let me first publish this. You will be taken to the page with sandbox details where you can publish this sandbox. Do you want to continue? Just say yes. Publish. You are going to publish the sandbox, and after it's done, you cannot make you cannot make any further changes. That's fine. Okay, now I'll already published. So now let me go to home page. Okay, so let me first check under tools, under navigator, it should be already available, which we have already checked earlier, but let us double check again once again. Yeah, it's already there. Now let's check in the Springboard. Yeah, you can see download ADF desktop integrator. Yeah, so this is the desktop integrator template which I've downloaded for correct import. Okay, so this is how you download your desktop integrator and ensure that the plugin is installed, and if it's not available as an option under tools, ensure that you follow all the steps to enable the same via sandbox. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.